Okay, welcome back. And I want to look at accidents, cost and statistics. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I need to make this any bigger so I can make sure that it is easy to read and easy to see. Okay. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah. Okay, accidents, cost and statistics. Manager of Health and Safety introduction. Now, if you're an employer or self-employed person, you need to be aware of certain things. You need to look at the cost of accidents because you're going to lose days off work, okay? There are an estimated 1.6 million accidents resulting in injury each year, okay? Now remember, this was then, okay? So the figures may have changed since. So look that up, keep on top of it, basically. Okay? Average cost for business from accident at work, uninsured cost, okay? Sorry, uninsured cost, insured cost. So you can see that the uninsured cost is always larger than the insured cost. Okay, because insurance don't cover everything. Okay, small to medium-sized firms in particular give employment, develop new ideas, and provide essential services. Basically, okay. Detailing the cause of accident at work. All they're showing you here is a comparison. Major injury rate per 1 million employees, okay? So if you've got a large employment, you possibly have a large criteria for accidents. If your workforce is smaller, it may well be less, okay? And that's my interpretation of that. You create your own. Workplace injury, okay? Now, Table 1, risk of non-fatal injury relative to the manufacturing sector based on years 1993, 94, etc. Okay, now again, this has gone back a while, so you'll need to update your information. Okay. Fatalities caused by what? 32% falls from a height. 36 being struck by a moving vehicle or object. 10% contact with moving machinery. 22% all other causes. Okay. And again here, it's simply showing you what they are. Events which occurred, location, environment. Okay. So you can see that handling lifting creates the biggest problem, where if you work in wholesale, you're likely to be more injured easily. Okay. Okay, just going back to make sure that I gave you time to look at it. Okay. Okay. And there's your accident checklist. Okay. Okay, hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.